Do Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People worry that the Nissan wheel spacers may cause vibration. In fact, Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fittiness of the Nissan 350C wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on Lug-centric Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers. A Lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel stud. If you're using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers will be the easy solution. As long as you use quality Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers and install them properly, they will be safe and reliable, since the wheel stud and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Nissan wheel spacers and wheels. If the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel stud of BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers are made of high-strength SCM 410 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard 12.9. With high strength, your Nissan wheel spacers can be a more process without breaking. Hub-centric Nissan wheel spacers can keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and the wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center pole of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Nissan wheel spacers are important because they ensure the wheels are perfectly secured on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels with the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, the CNC machine will precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Nissan 350C or 370C wheel spacers are components that contain the other part, you absolutely need tight tolerance.